Okay, good evening. This is our last question, question 12. And now we are going to see that in the figure, AEB is equal to and BDC are straight line, okay? CD and AD are two altitudes of triangle ABC. So immediately, what should you do now? 5 seconds. Yes, you must write down CEDB is a right angle and ADB is a right angle now, immediately. Okay, next part, which intersect at K. If CD equals AD, okay, CD equals AD, we cannot add together because it's too complicated to add them. But we must use it to prove part A, I think. Okay, for part A, you are now going to prove that triangle ABD is equal to triangle CBE. Obviously, we see AD, AD, CE, CD. So this is the first reason. That is the straight line. And then we have a right angle here because angle CEB and angle ADB is also at the 90 degrees right angle here. So last one, what can we use is that, do you see ABD and CBE are just common angle, so we can use AAS to prove this one. So let's write down the answer. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, we can write down first of all, AD is equal to CD given. Second one, angle ADB we equal to 90 degrees and we equal to angle CEB. This is given also because this is two altitude. You can write altitude also. And finally, we can use angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. That is the common angle. So we can write down triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. That is AAS. So we finish part A. Okay, obviously. Now we are going to do the part B. Okay, now for part B, we are going to prove that BK is the angle bisector of angle ABC. BK, that means we are going to prove these two angles are equal. Okay, the angle EBK and also equal to angle DBK. That means we are going to prove once again the congruent. So obviously we cannot use this reason for you to prove the congruent, but we have the right angle, we have the common side. So what can we do? So for part A, what we do is we prove that BE equals BD. BE equals BD here. So we can use RHS. After we prove that these two angles are equal, then we can say that they are angle bisector. So let's write down the answer for part B. Part B. Okay, first of all, to prove the congruence in triangle BDK and triangle BDK. Now, first of all, because this time we use RHS, angle BDK equals 90 degrees equals angle BDK. We must write down 90 degrees here to make sure that we know that this is 90 degrees, so we can use R for this one is given. H is BK. BK equals BK, common side. Finally, we can use BD equals BD, that's the corresponding size, congruent triangles, since triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. Okay, this is the third reason we use. So triangle BEK is congruent to triangle BDK, that is RHS. Okay, now after we prove this, our target is that we are going to prove these two angles are equal. Obviously, we have angle EBK is equal to angle DBK. That is the corresponding angles, congruent triangles. So we can write down BK is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Okay, now let's have a look for the answers. Okay, that's all of these supplementary exercise. Hope you know that after doing these 12 questions, I hope that you can know more about the special lines and also the special centers of triangles. Okay, and thanks for watching.